The new inline Orissa Fusion platform incorporates synchronized high-speed PCB transfer and maximum flexibility with a reduced line length at a best-in-market price point. Our significantly enhanced PillarCOMM 2 programming and control software package incorporates many updated features over our original version of this already highly acclaimed industry-leading system. PillarCOMM offers the operator the ability to create any process program quickly and easily using our proven point-and-click interface in a highly efficient and user-friendly manner. Here is a typical 4-cell system configured to handle PCBs up to 381 by 460 mm. The system consists of independent fluxing, preheat, and 2 solder cells, and then for higher speed applications, a combined fluxer preheat station, up to 3 solder stations, and as many as 5 heating options can be added. The flexible design of the Fusion frame allows it to be offered in a number of different configurations. These include a compact 2.2 meter reduced footprint version for installations where floor space is at a premium, our regular 2.9 meter frame, which when configured as a 2-station variant caters for backplane type applications up to 1115 by 460 mm. The addition of a PCB transfer station and a return conveyor enables the product to be manually unloaded adjacent to the conveyor load station. Each solder cell can be configured with any of the Pillarhouse solder technologies, from dedicated high-speed single-dip, jet wave and single-point flexible AP, down to our revolutionary patented 1.5mm micro nozzle. Each cell can accommodate any of our new pot designs. These range from the DUPLEX twin independent Z-lift baths, large offset baths that can be software configured to raise simultaneously for high volume twin product throughput on a variable pitch between 180 to 350 mm, and a single large bath with twin pumps for high volume dual product throughput between 90 and 180 mm. Easy, rapid, non-contact solder pot changeover is facilitated via the optional heated pot exchange trolley, as can be seen here. Continuing our reputation for innovation, Pillarhouse offers a laser-based PCB warp correction system. This compensates for deformed products. Thermal nozzle calibration is fitted as standard for improved solder nozzle positioning, and a nitrogen purity analyzer is available to measure oxygen content in ppm at the critical point of soldering in real time. We are proud to have been responsible for many of the key advances in this technology for many years, and our continuing goal, which remains at the forefront of our business philosophy, is to enhance, develop and deploy new technology at every opportunity. There is no limit to the flexibility of the Fusion. Simply, the most competitive price per cell system currently available on the world market.